approximately a third of an Eiffel Tower's worth of metal in each one, and they rotate in position. The barrier protects against an area of land with about 1.25 million people. If you're walking along the south bank, if you can imagine another 3.5 metres of concrete obstructing your view, that's what the barrier protects against.
The Port of London has been a centre for trade since Roman times. By the 1800s it was the busiest port in the world, and a series of huge enclosed docks were built, surrounded by high walls, to protect cargo from thieves and pirates. The docks stretch from Tower Bridge to City Airport, and the Museum of London Docklands is preserving the history of this crucial trading hub.
The building we're sitting in is built in 1802. When it was built, it was the biggest warehouse in the world. The Romans first settled on the Thames, and obviously the Vikings came after the Romans, and all throughout history there's always been lots and lots of trade. Here was loads and loads of privacy. In actual fact, there's a gibbet cage in the museum, and he wasn't executed in the gibbet cage. He used hung, and then he would have been cut down, and then he would have been put into the gibbet cage. And there was accounts of 45 bodies hanging right along the foreshore. So as the shipping were coming in, that was like a big tell, you behave yourself, otherwise this is going to happen to you. Warehouses played a very important part in the war, because if you knock out the infrastructure and you kind of starve the nation out. Now you can imagine the ferocity of the bombing, and sometimes you had the sugar going up and catching light, and then at the very end of the buildings you had the rum going up and catching light, and it would actually make slag toffee. And all the children would be around the following morning scooping it up, taking it home. You can come to this area and you can walk around and you can see where all these things happen.
The East End docks have undergone major redevelopment in recent decades. Royal Victoria Dock is now home to XL London, one of the largest exhibition centres in Europe. King George V Dock has become the grounds for City Airport. The Royal Albert Dock to the north of the airport is next for redevelopment.
Royal Albert Dock used to be the commercial centre for the British Empire. Beef used to come from Argentina and other places, and it went on trains into London. But this was the meat store when the meat first came off the ships. This is going to be an Asian business port. Companies from Asia will be able to set up their headquarters and trade into Europe. The city airport will allow business people to travel to and from European cities right here into Royal Albert Dock. Business leaders will be able to attend meetings in Paris and within 2 hours be back at their desks here in London. When this complex is finished, there will be 20,000 people employed in this area, and we'll be invigorating this area, we're bringing it alive again. It really is going to be very exciting.
Down below, the River Lee flows into the Thames on its north.